Hello and welcome to the channel. Today I will guide you through a simple but important setting on the SoundCloud app for Android. If you want to control who can send you messages and increase your privacy, this video will show you exactly how to do that. Follow along step by step and you'll be done in no time. Open the SoundCloud app on your Android device. At the bottom of the screen, tap on Library. Next, look at the top right corner and tap the Settings icon. After that, scroll down and select Inbox from the Settings menu. Finally, find the option that says Receive Messages from Anyone and toggle it off. That's all there is to it. Now you have full control over who can message you on SoundCloud, making your experience safer and more private. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful guides. See you in the next video.